What happens when sweet caramel meets a hint of salt and a splash of vodka? Pure magic. I'll show you how to make a salted caramel martini that's as smooth as it is decadent. Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. It's time for a cocktail, and today we're making my newest favoriteest thing. We're making a salted caramel martini. Now what is it? This martini could be a dessert martini. It could be for someone who isn't sure about cocktails. It's sweet, it's salty, it's creamy, it's luscious. It's all of those things and more in one drink. Now, the first thing we need to do is prepare the glass. Now, I have here in my plate some caramel sauce, just enough to cover the bottom and be wide enough for the glass. This is the kind I get. It's the kind I like. This is just what you put over ice cream. In this plate, I have something called Turbinado sugar, also known as sanding sugar or sugar in the raw. To this, we're going to add some salt, but we're not adding just any old salt. I have here some flaked salt, and you can see it's really in flakes instead of big crystals. We want to put a healthy pinch in, and then we just want to mix it. You can use your fingers, you could use a spoon if you must. And that's going to give us that salty sweet experience. I have here one of my favorite martini glasses. We're going to start out by dipping the rim into the caramel sauce. Not too crazy, just enough to coat. Now, into the sugar and salt combo. All right. Perfect. Now let's set this aside. Before we get rid of the glass, I want to add one more little thing. I want to take this caramel sauce. I want to put a little dollop right in the center, about a half a teaspoon. Or maybe the size of a maraschino cherry. Just like that. Now let's mix the cocktail. I have a glass here, and we're going to start with vodka. Again, not just any old plain vodka. We are using caramel vodka. There are a lot of brands out there. I really like this one. Even now, I can smell the caramel flavor from it. We just need 2.5 ounces or 75 mils. In our glass. Delicious. Next up is a little bit of cream. We're going to get that from Irish cream. Good old Bailey's. Of course, you can use whatever brand that you like or you can get. We just need 2 ounces or 60 mils of Irish cream. And yet, it's not creamy enough. We need more cream. Half and half will do the job. Just 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. A little bit of a sloppy pour, but that's okay. All right, you know what's coming up next. It's the Shaky. I have a shaker full of ice. Here we go. That should do it. Now, remember that glass that we worked on? We did all that work. Here it is. And we're going to strain this We're actually going to double strain because I don't want any of those pesky little ice shards in my nice drink. So here we go. Oh, look at that. Now, let's give this a little taste. Wow. First thing is, from the rim, you get the sweet and the salty. Then the smooth, creamy, caramely cocktail comes through, and it just coats everything and makes you feel wonderful. It's delicious. Yeah. I need a second sip for quality control. If you like this episode, sign up for our newsletter and get the recipe in your inbox. Then help us grow the channel by hitting that subscribe button, smashing the like button, and hitting the notification bell so you'll never miss an episode. All right, you know what? I'm going to go sit in my chair with my feet up, take the night off, and I'm going to enjoy this cocktail. While I do that, I want you to watch these episodes over here. So until next time, everyone, cheers.